The Vivo X300 Ultra is a true next-generation flagship, built to impress with some of the most powerful specs ever seen in a smartphone. It boasts a breathtaking 144Hz QHD plus LTPO AMOLED display, ensuring smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and adaptive refresh rates that elevate gaming and multimedia experiences. Powering this beast is the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM for flawless multitasking and unbeatable speed. Storage won't ever be a problem thanks to the gigantic 2TB capacity, letting users save thousands of photos, apps, and 8K videos with ease. On the photography front, the device shines with an extraordinary 400MP camera, pushing mobile photography to professional-grade levels with unmatched clarity and detail. To support all this power, Vivo packs in a huge 8,500 mAh battery, complemented by 120W fast charging that refuels the phone in record time. With this combination of performance, camera innovation, and battery dominance, the Vivo X300 Ultra is set to redefine what a true ultra flagship should be.